Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about discipline. Motivation comes and goes, discipline stays. Some days you feel like walking, some days you do not. Results do not wait for feelings, they follow actions. A small daily effort compounds. Skipping one day delays growth. Skipping many days delays progress. Consistency is the invisible engine of success. If you are young, build habits now. Start small. Stick to the plan. Repetition creates strength. 10 minutes of practice daily beats 2 hours once a week. Trust discipline. Ignore mood swings. Discipline always wins. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.